Hello loves, and welcome to the first hop collaboration. The title is Spring Clean with the Dream Team. All you have to do, each member will have a link in their description box. Click that link and that will progress you through the hop. Hello everyone, and welcome to BRE'S Project Book. Are you ready for some spring cleaning? Well, you arrived just in time. I have my girls with me and we are going to be doing some spring cleaning. So get ready for some fabulous tips that you can incorporate in your spring cleaning routine. So grab your bottle and a brush and I introduce you to the girls. Introducing to you my fabulous sisters, the Dream Team, and what they'll be sharing with you today and their cleaning tips. Kimberly, A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Wani, Wani's House. Kira, Style by Kira. Felissa, Homebody with Felissa. Trevina, Royalty Designs by Trevina. Shalomi, The Glamorous Pen and Picture. Kenya, Kenya's Decor Corner. And lastly, myself, Bree. So let's get started. Here are my tips for a clean and organized linen closet. Since this video is timed, a more in-depth cleaning and organization video is available in the iCard above. Purge non-essential items. Sort linens by category. Use boxes, bins to store and separate. Use space-saving ideas to save space. The best tip I can give you to keep your linen closet clean is not to overfill with more than what you need. Nowadays, the linen closets store more than just linens, as long as it's organized and has its own space. Okay, so the first shelf is already empty. This shelf here is where I was housing the toilet paper. I'm trying to think of another way to house the toilet paper. I'm not quite sure this is an efficient way to use this space. This shelf here is another shelf that can be used efficiently. The next shelf is where I was housing all the towels. There's a lot of room here that could be used another way. This bin is so heavy now that it can't even keep its shape. And the same thing over here, it's just outgrew. You can see how stuffed it is. On the bottom shelf here on the floor is all my candles and fragrances, and I'm thinking I can use this space for something else. So we are going to take everything off of these shelves. We're going to clean it. We're going to wipe the walls down and the shelves. So let's get started. How do you remove marks from flat wall paint? Very carefully. My pantry is painted in that flat wall, white wall paint. And I use a 1/4 cup of pine sol to a gallon of hot water. This normally gets the marks up very easily. If it doesn't come up too easy, then I use a little bit more pine sol or my sponge or rag and wipe it carefully. I go behind that with some cold or warm water on another rag and then wipe it down with a dry cloth. This normally works for me. The first shelf right up top here that we are going to put pillows and blankets. What we have here are some decorative and bedding pillows that we compressed or sucked out the air and collapsed them as thin as we can to save room. So we have about 7 of these pillows here, and then we have some blankets. This is the shelf that wasn't being used efficiently. They had the sheets there and some other items, bins and what have you. So here are the items that's going to go in that shelf. These are my pillow covers. That will be coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. So we're going to go ahead and install that on the shelf. Okay, so we're at the 4th shelf here. Now, I'm thinking about putting all my fragrances on this shelf. I think it would look pretty nice. So here are some of my fragrances and candles. These are just for the bedrooms. We have the drawer fragrance or the drawer sachets in both of those. I believe there's 2. No, then in this one we have a regular fragrances, air freshener. These are scented mini candles. So these are the scented tea light. I do have a video on my candles and fragrances. I will link that in the iCard above. I have a couple of bins here that is a little bit more sturdy and it has a cover to it. So we're going to put these items in here. Now the second bin, we have some linen spray, house shoes, allergy-free pillow covers or pillow protectors. Okay everyone, I am ready to reveal my linen closet. Okay, so here is the before. Okay, so on the top shelf here we have the pillows, decorative pillows, and we have blankets for the house. The second shelf, remember the toilet paper roll bins? Well, now it holds my guest prep area. Everything that I need to get to prep the guest bedroom and bathroom if I'm having company. These three bins here on the top, two of them on the top here are washcloths, hand towels, and bath towel sets. Then in the middle, we have two sets of sheets for each guest bedroom. The closed bins are the bins that I did show you in the video earlier what went in there. So you have one here and then one on this side. The middle bin is the items that I need to prepare the bathroom sink area. And that's all the tumblers and the containers and things of that nature. This shelf right here, I'm loving this shelf. These are my pillow covers storage. There is a total of 30 organized in casual, luxe, and glam. A video will be coming soon so you can see how organized that. The next shelf is so pretty. I am loving this shelf. Here is where I put all of my candles and scented oils. I love it here. Don't have to stoop down on the floor to see what I have and see what I need to replenish. We have oils here, air fresheners, votive candles, scented and unscented, oil fresheners. We have drawer sachets, oil air fresheners, votives, and then we have wax candles here, and we have about 14 of those there. This is where I'm housing all the toilet paper. The toilet paper is down here at eye level. You can just get what you need. Don't have to reach up. Just reach in here, lift it, get what you need, and that is it. I have two bins in there. Both of those bins holds about 8 rows each, so that's 16 rows of toilet paper. Right here in the center is the medicine cabinet for the house, and then on top of the medicine cabinet we have this nice little tray, and it goes with a set for your counter on your bathroom that you put the containers on. So lastly, we on the floor. Remember that tall 9-drawer unit? That was my guest essentials. Now I pared it down to just 4 drawers there. And then those are the containers for that white platter that I just showed you guys. So that's it on that side. And last but not least is that teak bench. That teak bench, I normally pull it out when I have company, and it sits by the bathtub, and it has towels on it and lotion, and that's enough explaining that. I'm running out of time. To put it simply, they sit down, wipe themselves off, and lotion themselves up. That's what it's for. I'm having too much fun. Did I make it? Has it been 3 minutes? I hope so. Okay, love, that was do it for me. I hope you guys had fun watching me put this together. I had so much fun doing this for you guys, but I also hope you receive some tips and inspiration to get started with your spring cleaning. Don't forget to look in the description box. There is a link there that will take you to the next person on the list so you can check them out. I know you will enjoy it. They have plenty more tips, hacks, and ideas and inspiration for your spring cleaning. So enjoy the collaboration, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Smooches!